Hi guys, welcome back. If you saw the last video, you'd see where I took off all those plastics that covered my 250cc Jianshe Puma quad bike. Now as you can see, my quad is not looking much like a quad at the moment. That's because I've taken off all the plastics. Now I need to go ahead and I need to take off little boxes like this. I'm going to take off the exhaust. And then I need to take off all these wires, all these little electrical components. I'm just going with my trusty side cutters. And I'm going to just go ahead, cut all these little cable ties. There. And loosen up all these wires. This is the wiring harness, all taken off. Just very, very messy. I also took off this box. It's the air box for the engine. That's going to need a lot of cleaning. It's pretty dirty. So yeah, still a bit of work, but we should have this ready to get the engine out soon. Don't count me on that. So I've taken off the entire wiring harness, removed the rear brake cable. All I have to take off now is this cable. That's a problem. I'm going to go with a chrome color scheme over the entire engine and have matte black accents all over it. Chrome exhaust. I'm going to do this in matte black. Then red exhaust going to go there. But yeah, that's about it for this video. The next video I'm going to be taking off the engine. So yeah, if you liked the video guys, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.